Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to the SD card on this device. So firstly you have to go to the file manager. You can send photos, videos, audio, documents, APKs, archives, and also downloads. So let's send, for example, some photo. Select the photo, hold your finger on it, then select if you want to move it or if you want to copy that. Let's copy this photo, select SD card, and then select folder where you want to copy this for that photo. For example, let's select download and tap copy it here. And now in the SD card in download folder we have this photo that we just transferred. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.